And let the money bless you with body, oh baby. Oh. Star boy go bless you with money, oh my girl. And let the money bless you with body, oh baby.
Made men music.
You tell me say don't go watch how we slow wine. Oh, you say you want to take control.
Hey guys, so today we're going to be showing you, I'm going to be applying my makeup. I'm going to be talking about my favorites, my drugstore favorites, yeah, what I've been using. These are stuff that are affordable, easily accessible if you're living anywhere in the world. If I can access it, you can also access it. I think so. I don't know. Maybe. Hopefully. Okay? So first and foremost, I am really feeling like brow pencils nowadays. So I'm using brow pencils to fill in my brows. I don't know why. Maybe I normally use like brow pencils. Like before I even got into YouTube and all of that, I used to use brow pencils because I don't know, they work. They're easy to work with. But the brow palette that I like to use, this is a NYX Love Contours All palette, NYX Love Contours All palette, and it also has this this color, this brow shade. So I like to use this too. If I'm not using a pencil, I use this. So I'm gonna take a spoolie, and this spoolie is from Aliexpress. So just brush my brows upwards like so. And then I start filling in like so. It's going to look red at first, but don't worry. Okay, nice. Just go back in with the brush to just brush it. Cool. You see? That is our brow. Now what we're going to do now, we're going to use the same palette, and I'm going to use this brush. So we're going to use the palette to just add that product, just to ensure that it looks a little bit defined, or just to darken the brows a little bit more, because brow is looking a little bit too red. We kind of want it to have that ashy look. Yeah, ColourPop No Filter found concealer in dark 52. And basically mixing it with both of them to do under the brows, and then I use Chestnut from the LA Girls at the top of my brows. So that's what I'm gonna do now. I'm gonna mix it together so we can create this nice, you know, my favorite brush. This is coming from my Sylyne brush set, guys. Link to the right of your screen. You'll see what I'm talking about when it comes to these brushes. They're so amazing and they do the job well. This is a concealer blending brush. Also my favorite brush to blend out my concealer, and it does a good job. Going up at the top of the brows, and we are using Chestnut from LA Girls. So it's on my hand, so it's a little bit warm and it's getting thicker. This palette here, Boss palette. I love this palette. This one, this is Fez. I'm gonna go in with Fez. Notice Fez is finished because I've been using Fez, so we're gonna go in with that. And this is the brush from Practic by Sigma, large fluff brush. I'm just gonna pack all of that over the lids. Pack it all over the lids right here. And blend. And this is just for like everyday makeup. You don't have to worry about going in with too much, too little. This is just perfect. So we just add that and we start to blend. And right here, you want to make sure that you blend just slightly, just a little, not a lot. Okay, so I'm gonna go in with a smaller brush, and this brush is from the Sylyne. This is the A11 brush. This is a small eye contour brush, and I'm going to be using this color, this charcoaly brown, from the same NYX Love Contours All palette. Very affordable, guys, this one. Yes, so we're just gonna take that right now to just contour the eyes a bit, so our eye is not looking like, you know, just one color and boring. Want to add some dimension to the eye, so it looks as though the eye is bigger than it actually is. You know what I'm saying? And see that big difference? Look at one eye done, the other eye not done. Looks as if I am a professional makeup artist and I know what I'm doing, right? Even though I kind of know what I'm doing, but you know what I mean. Okay, guys, so I went ahead and I did the next eye. So another favorite, I was put onto this by my sister. This is the Clean Color Foundation Primer. Clean Color Foundation Primer. Yeah, I don't really wear primer on a daily basis, but whenever I do, I use this one and it works. Here where I get oily, right here, right here, and right here, just the nose. And I just rub it in. My favorite drugstore foundation right now is, let me shake it up, the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop, and this is in cocoa. I have to shake it up because, yeah, just one. Ooh, it's warm because it was in the sun. 2 and 3 small baby pumps, because so, and then I just use this brush from Sylyne. This is a 113 brush from the 15 piece or updated 15 piece Sylyne brush set. Oh shit. So my favorite is also LA Girls. As you can see, I did my brows, but I like to use it with a color pop. So I'm gonna use it in conjunction with a color pop. So I'm just gonna take a little bit of LA Girls, or the LA Girl right here, not a lot. For example, I do the reverse contouring now, kind of let everything sit, and then I go in with this brush. This is a A06 brush from Sylyne, and I have to blend right away. It's gonna be alright, alright, alright. Alright, so now I'm gonna blend this. Alright, so as you can see, we went ahead and we blended out everything. I'm gonna use the same foundation brush now to just ensure that everything is nice and blended in. Like so. I'm gonna go down here, and we're just going to blend a little bit over top of the contour, the reverse contouring. Yeah, it's gonna blend over top that, just to, you know, so nobody sees it. See? Nice. Gonna blend over top of that. with the foundation brush. My next favorite is my Black Opal Invisible Powder in Invisible Powder. So my Black Opal Invisible Loose Powder. This is also an affordable drugstore brand, and Black Opal is, you know, one of those brands that, you know, when everybody else come and goes, but they remain, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, Black Opal is one of those brands. Everything comes, everything goes out of season, in season, but Black Opal is always true, and it remains in our hearts. That type of brand. Yeah. So even with the hype of every other product, a Black Opal, when you have a Black Opal Invisible Powder, a makeup artist, especially in the Caribbean, Black Opal is always in their kit as a makeup artist, because it's accessible anywhere in the world. And that's what I'm talking about. These are the products that I like, products that are accessible and affordable. Go back in with the same blending brush that we used earlier, and I'm just gonna blend right here a little bit. Gonna blend it. Just gonna take the slightest touch and just blend that. Go over here. I'm just gonna blend that again. Some this black from the same palette, and we're just gonna add it to the lower lash. To the lower lashes, I'm going to use this one, black. Allow the eyes to pop a bit. This brush, the same brush that we use to deepen the crease or contour the crease. So I'm going to take the edge of this brush, just the edge, and just go like this. Juvia's Place. And we're going to go in with the same color that we used. Fez, yeah. Okay guys, so I'm gonna go in with this palette, and we're going in with this color to do my contour. Yeah. Okay. I'm going to use Taza. See, this palette, you can use it for anything. I'm going to use Taza as my blush. Yeah, so we're just going to add it right here. Okay. So guys, last but not least, This is my drugstore favorite. This is the Makeup Revolution Vivid Baked Bronzer. Okay, so look at my face, nice and glowy so far. We're just gonna add some of this onto the next cheek, and I'm gonna use my fan brush from Sylyne. Let me get my mirror. Just gonna apply the baked bronzer on the fan brush, and then we're just gonna fan it right here and fan it right here into here, so we're nice and glowy. See, nice drugstore, everything drugstore, everything affordable. And see, flawless makeup. We don't need all of those expensive stuff to get a nice flawless beat. Huh? Yeah. And we went over the nose right here. Yeah. And I think I want to go over a little bit the brow bone. So I'm just gonna try to see if I can take some right here. Just a little bit. You know, just to highlight it a little bit. See that? Nice. And then right here. Nice. Good. And what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna go back in with this brush just to ensure that, you know. Yeah, I'll just blend that. And blend that. Good. And we're finished. We're finished. This is a finished look, guys. All drugstore, everything. Let me just fix my hair. So yeah, let me just, everything drugstore. My hair has a little bit of foundation on it, but never mind. And this hair, guys, it's from Amazon. So if you're interested, I'll leave the information in the description box. Basically just wet the ear and put some Lotta Body in it, so it gives it this nice curlish effect. Yeah. Ooh, nice. What do you think, guys? Really love this look. What do you think? I love this look. All drugstore, guys, all drugstore. And let's see if this is no flashback. Okay, let me turn on the flash. Beautiful, guys. Look at that, guys. Beautiful. Look at that. Nice. Loving the look. Ooh. So yes, guys, tell me what you think about it. I'm really loving this look. Hope you like it too. Affordable drugstore stuff, guys. Yes.